Hi everyone, welcome to Live Watch Chennai. This is Mr. Nivas. Today I am going to draw Angelina Jolie portrait. She's the Hollywood actor. So this is the area where I am going to draw. I'm having the picture on the mobile. This is a center vertical line which divide the face as two parts from left to right, and I'm just creating some baseline as a tilted and making baseline for eye and nose. I'm dividing the eye as a three parts, okay, and start from left. The space between two eye will be one eye space. This is common for all the portrait. So eyebrow, eyes and nose, all three will be placed on the same level. So following the eye, I'm drawing and giving some detail on the eyebrow. Now drawing the nose bridge and nostrils, doing the detailing. So always you better mark some distance, but this sometime we are marking the distance with guessing and marking, bringing the lips shapes as exactly on which is on the picture. So after inside features, I'm drawing outer part of the face. Shape is always important because that only gives some resemblance of the character. Each and every part is very important. Sometimes we will give some more important to particular part and will not be giving important to the other one. So now roughly I have made the portrait sketch. After this I'll be using a stellar pencil for creating a final outline. From this rough outline we'll bring final outline with the stellar pencil, right? Stellar pencil will not be erased easily with the eraser, so sometimes we have to be careful on making this. So in this time you can make a little changes and corrections and placement of the path, so that you'll be having exact and proper portrait. After the rough outline, you just check the image with the outline whether it has come good or not, and also you have to analyze the mistakes and find out it, and you can correct in this final outline. After this final outline, I'll erase the rough outline which was made by the Apsara pencil or some HP pencil lines. So I don't like this eraser because it gives some patches and marks on the portrait. So next time I'll try to change the brand. So again, after erasing, you can go for further detailing and fine-tuning the outline. And The thing is, sometimes we are become lazy and we compromise with the output whatever it has come. But my point is, don't compromise. If you cannot do on time, then you can try it later. It's not compulsory to sit and work for a long time. Okay, so this is the final outline. I think it has come good. Okay, we are in the end of the first episode. If you like this video, please give a like on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to receive instant update of my artworks and art videos regularly. And also share this video to all your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.